Kate Travers. I'm Director of the Museum of Royal Worcester. The project that we're working on today is supported by the Arts Council, and we're really excited to be able to engage students with food history and to think about how food was served, as well as diet, the different types of ways in which recipes were formulated and put together during the Georgian times.
Hi, my name's Dr Neil Buttery. I'm a food historian and chef, and I've been working with the Museum of Royal Worcester. I've been developing their food history, the food history element of the place. So I've been putting together a gallery of an 18th century dinner table, all the foods that people ate and how the porcelain was used, often to show off in social situations. And really, one of the reasons I'm here is to make Royal Worcester sort of relevant to more people. Obviously, people who like porcelain come here, but I wanted to show that, even if you're not interested in porcelain, what is interesting is the people who are handling the porcelain. Not just the people eating, but the servants, the cooks, the chefs, all the other domestic servants, which is, to be fair, if I was around that time, that's what I'd be doing. I wouldn't be one of the posh people sat around a table. So really, it's just to help people connect a bit with their food history from whatever their background may be.
The students have been really engaged. It's been amazing to see them respond to Dr Neil and learn about some of the 18th century food habits and etiquettes. Speaking to them today, they sound really excited about the opportunity to go ahead and try to recreate some of these recipes and items. And they were asking me if I was going to join them, so I will try to do that. But yeah, absolutely wonderful, and we're looking forward to continuing our partnership with the college.
This all happened because the Museum of Royal Worcester contacted me about having a food history element. I absolutely jumped at the chance, actually, because I love to do things where I'm not that knowledgeable, and I didn't really know that much about porcelain. So I thought, great, I'm going to learn lots of new things myself, and also get the chance to teach people at the museum and at local schools and colleges a little bit about food history, because it's the thing that I'm most passionate about. The two things that I think are really important. One thing is, we all think that the food from the past was basic, rudimentary, and not very nice. And that is not the case. Chefs were really, really highly skilled. So these people are getting a chance of using skills, using techniques without all the mod cons. Although we are using ovens, modern day ovens, that's about it. They're doing everything else exactly how it would have been done. So they're really having to think outside the box. And I also think, people might want to cook food from France or from Asia or something like that. But also, they say the past is a foreign country. And I think you can learn just as much by looking at the past for food inspiration, as well as other countries around the world.